Okay, so the market has successfully avoided a sharper correction, and we see the main indices making important bullish continuation patterns right near their critical support zones. So in this video, we'll see what to expect next and what possible risks are involved at this point, because there are risks and we're gonna talk about them. But first, welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan, professional trader, founder of the 5% project, where we help you become a consistent trader using our methodology and trading philosophy, which has already helped dozens of other traders boost their performance. So just join us over there. The QR code's right here, link in the fixed comment below. Now, as we can see here, SPY is clearly bullish. Why, you may ask? Because we are making higher highs, higher lows. Yesterday, we just broke the previous top level, making a new high, triggering another bullish pivot point just above the 21 EMA on the daily chart, just above the $524, which was the most important support level for us, which we have been monitoring for weeks right now, and of course above the bottom line of this ascending channel. Now, what are the risks involved over here, Nathan? Because so far SPY is bullish, right? Yes, it is bullish, and in theory it could just keep going up until it hits its next resistance level, which is the upper line of this ascending channel. Now, the risk involved relies on the $533, the previous top level, which is acting as a support level for us today. Another classic example of the principle of polarity in technical analysis. Now, only by losing the $533.07, I see SPY frustrating this bullish pivot point and triggering another pullback. This is not gonna be a technical reversal, but it could be a pullback to its 21 EMA, or maybe even to retest the lower line of this ascending channel. This is a real possibility, but in the lack of technical evidence suggesting a bearish reaction, suggesting a top signal, SPY in theory will just continue going up. Similarly, we see QQQ making another pivot point. The key point over here is $460.58. Only by losing this key point, the QQQ would trigger a sharper correction. But so far, as far as I know, the QQQ is even more bullish than SPY, and this suggests that yes, tech stocks are performing very well, and this reflects very nicely on Tesla because, well, Tesla is going up today, all right? It is making a very strong bullish reaction. It is going up, well, in fact, it is going up more than the other Magnificent 7 stocks over here. So it is a very good reaction, closing above the 21 EMA. And although the odds are not that good for the bulls over here, I do believe that by making a bottom signal around this area, Tesla could break free from this congestion and officially turn bullish again. But so far, this reaction alone is good. Yes, it is, but we gotta break the $186.88 in order to materialize a very good, meaningful bullish chart structure, making a new high. And in this scenario, okay, we're gonna officially retest higher levels, possibly close this gap over here at the 206. This is a very good and technical movement. Let's hope Tesla will maintain its bullish bias. Now, Nvidia, on the other hand, Nvidia is making a top signal today, a crystal clear top signal. Now, Nathan, are you saying that Nvidia will drop from here? Well, Nvidia made top signals before, right here, right? A top signal here. It made another top signal here. It made another top signal here. And none of these top signals materialized a sharper correction or a bearish reversal chart structure, all right? We just saw Nvidia moving sideways, losing strength, but they couldn't materialize a sharper, meaningful pullback. So as far as I know, seeing just one top signal over here is not enough. Just like seeing only one single bullish candlestick pattern on Tesla today is not enough for us to see it flying, exploding to higher levels. We gotta see more confirmation. And on Nvidia's case over here, if Nvidia loses today's low, closing below today's low over here, I do believe that we're gonna trigger a sharper pullback on the daily chart. And but this is not gonna be enough for Nvidia to reverse the bullish bias. The trend is still bullish, and in bull trends, pullbacks are opportunities to buy. So any pullback to the 21 MA, to the $1,000 area, could be just another buying opportunity at a discount and with a good risk-reward ratio. So let's pay attention on this possible top signal on Nvidia and see how it is going to materialize its next movements. Meanwhile, the other Magnificent 7 stocks are performing very well. Microsoft is stabilizing near yesterday's high, just like SPY, just like the QQQ. Apple is trying to make a top signal, but again, it is not triggering anything meaningful right here, right now. Although I believe that if we see a top signal on Apple, well, the timing would be very good because we are near a crystal clear resistance level. Amazon is going up, we don't see any top signal. Today we broke the 21 MA on the daily chart, while Google made a very nice reaction right above its 21 MA on the daily chart. And Meta is breaking free from this congestion, breaking the previous top level, something that Tesla has to do. Tesla has to follow Meta in order to frustrate this congestion over here, all right? So this is what we want to see Tesla doing in the next few days. Tesla has to break its resistance level at 186 in order to materialize a meaningful bullish chart pattern. So what we see on Meta is a quite interesting example of a breakout of a rectangle, right? So yes, of a rectangle pattern. So yes, the market is still bullish. We don't see meaningful top signals around except on Nvidia, where we see a possible top signal. But in theory, this bullish sentiment is supposed to persist until we see a crystal clear reversal occurring. This is another classic example of Dow theory. Tenet number 6. Trends persist until a clear reversal occurs. So let's pay attention on possible top signals. Let's pay attention on the most important support and resistance levels on our stocks, which we mentioned here in this video, and see how the market will behave in the next few days. Of course, I will be here every single day, keeping you guys updated on what's the best regarding technical analysis, price action on stocks, SPY, QQQ, etc. So just join the Finance Hydra channel community. Thank you very much for your audience, my dear friends. Stay safe. See you guys tomorrow.